Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me, and on a Saturday unexpected video. I have got a whole stack of things that have arrived in the post to me, so I wanted to bring them out onto YouTube again. You all seemed to like it when I did it a while ago. I don't know, maybe a month ago. So I thought I would do it again because I do get bits and bobs through in the post. I have no idea how people find my address, I guess on my contact page or something like that. But anyway, I guess on return parcels, return labels on the parcels I send out. But no, I'm not making socks. The lovely Nicola sent these to me. Now she knits these, she says, knitted by my hands for your feet, and she sent me socks before and they are just gorgeous. So I wanted to show them to you. How lush are they? Oh, they're going to be lovely come the winter time. Ooh. So yeah, they came in the post, but she also made me a beautiful card as well. So I wanted to show you that. So it's she's obviously written it inside, so I'm going to show that, but it's lovely. I miss this paper. I do miss it so much, but I love it with the vellum. And then hopefully you can see I've got white embossing over there and some little rhinestones down at the bottom. Just gorgeous. Let me pop those over there. And then I've got another one here, which is this is from Nellie. Now Nellie is over in France and she sent me this. How divine is that? I'm not sure if you can see, but we've got dry embossing going on there and Joyeux anniversaire, which is birthday. Just checking. And then all of this, well, I'm guessing it's been fussy cut. I don't know because I don't recognise the stamp, but there's tiny, tiny little seed pearls in the flowers there. Absolutely gorgeous. And along with that came this, and it was a big parcel, this amazing box that she'd made for me and stuffed it full of all sorts of bits and pieces there. Oh, there was loads of stuff in there. Some Sephora goodies. Now, I don't live anywhere vaguely near a Sephora. I'm told there's one in London. I've never been, but it was full of Sephora goodies and an amazing Christian Dior amazing red lipstick, which I can't not wear. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. So absolutely crammed full. So that was just, what a lovely surprise and treat. And yeah, and a gorgeous box made, and it came beautifully done. So we've got gold die cutting here. So this is obviously the Petal Passion pairing there. Look at those little feathers. Beautiful. And our amazing DSP, which is retiring and going soon. So that was lovely. And then I had a box of goodies from Janet. Now, I don't know where the rest of the stuff is. Was this from Janet as well? There were all sorts of little treats, and I don't think it was. And it was a box full of stuff. There were sweeties for my boys, Rainbow Drop sweeties and Skittles. No, oh, and I don't remember who that one's from. There were, oh gosh, all sorts of things. There were rainbow stickers for me, and bits and pieces and things. And then a little handmade box here, which is just, God, look at that. S for Sam on the top. Love that. And I love the box. How gorgeous is that? All decorated with beautiful embellishments, the little flowers with rhinestones, and then I recognised the ribbon. Just gorgeous. Ooh, quite like the inside paper too. How lovely is that? I'm such a lucky girl. And then my lovely Jenny, she put these in the post to me, and I've been very good because actually I'm half tempted to reconstruct this box, but in here I ain't gonna be sharing, but they are for my boys. The brand new Kit Kat Senses. I might have to not tell them these have come because I want to try them. Oh, look, salted caramel. Oh, I'm going to steal those from the boys. But there's a lovely little treat. So I love it when stuff comes through in the post to me, but when there's extras for my boys as well. Chris does get a little bit pouty about it. He's like, what about me? Yeah, really? You don't feature in my videos much. But I love that. Obviously, I love a milk carton. And then this gorgeous box has got Molten Brown hand cream, which is perfectly timed. I love Molten Brown. Pink Pepper Pod is divine. My husband uses the black pepper quite a lot. The Pink Pepper Pod is just, look, it's brand new. Let me peel that off. Oh, it's lovely. That is the proper lid, isn't it? Love hand cream. I do have hand cream on my desk, so I do massage my hands right before I'm filming. But where my window is, right in front of me, you can see that the sun, well, you can't see the sun, Oh, that is just gorgeous. But my hand cream sits on my windowsill and it's gone a bit squishy and a bit, I'm not really sure if I want to use that anymore. So perfect timing. But how lovely is that? Perfect size box for the hand cream. Oh, it's lovely. It makes your hands look and feel nice. Which is great when you're working with cardstock. Your hands get so dry. So hand cream's lovely. And then the card that she put with it as well, just lovely. Thank you, Jenny, you are a real sweetie. And she's got poodle loops on it. Oh, and those are our stickers, aren't they? I've never used ours. What else have I got? Oh, so yeah, I've got this bookmark. I don't remember who sent me this one, and it's nothing, well, it says it's not what we have in life, but who we have in life that matters. But I just love that. Beautiful, great bookmark. And then I've got a lovely card. Who did this one come from? This came from Anne, all the way up in Scotland. She put this in the post to me just for you. Love it. I love the scallop circles, the scallop ovals. They're really nice. But isn't that cute? So hand coloured, all of it. Just gorgeous. And then this also came from Nicola, who made the socks. And this is a glossy finished. I really don't think you're going to see it, but all of the flowers, if I'm trying to tip it, but I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't see. Oh look, here we go. See if it's showing up on camera. I've just put hand cream on my glasses, but it's all glossy over the top of all of those flowers. Love it. And I like this gingham background. Very cute. And then I'm not sure if the envelope's been handmade or not. I think it has. Just gorgeous. So yeah, all those bits and pieces came in the post to me from people to say, you know, thank you. These are all customer thank yous. Just so sweet. I love to send them out. I never expect anything in return, and it's so sweet when the mailman comes and he's got an envelope for me. And you know what, the power of a handmade card, I cannot express it enough. And despite that, that's what I do for a living. When I receive happy mail, it's just amazing. So all of these lovely things that have come in the post for me, that have been handmade and created, just, I have no words. Very humbling, I think, is the best way to describe it. Very humbling. And I'm trying to bring the socks in. There they are. How lovely. I'm a very lucky girl. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Come back tomorrow because I might have another video for you of some more stuff that have come from different people. So I'm going to show you all of those. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.